Great. So in this lecture, we want to look at social signals and understand if they're important for SEO and getting us higher in the search engine results. And in one line, social signals are important, but they're not important for SEO. They impact SEO indirectly. So, what are the social signals that we're talking about? We've seen that links posted directly on social media are no follow. So we saw that using the tool in the last lecture. Social shares are also not counted as backlinks. Now, some of the other social signals that come up in the conversation about whether they impact SEO are things like the number of shares with the URL, the number of people that like your brand on Facebook, the number of Facebook shares, number of Twitter followers, number of tweets mention your brand, or including a link to your website. There's a lot of debate in the SEO world whether these really impact your rankings in the search engines. Some fairly well-known SEOs have done some experiments to show some results, but really the definitive answer that came back from Google was yes, there can be correlation in terms of content that's widely shared also ranks high in the search engines, but it doesn't mean it's the causation. So let's look at why social is still important. Well, number one, links build awareness of what you are offering. So it doesn't matter if they're no follow links. If when people see them, it creates awareness about your business and what you're offering. They don't even need to be clicked. They just need to be seen, and they're creating awareness. Links can also lead to profit. So even if they're no follow, people can become aware, click on the link, say, go onto the site, do a free trial, and then ultimately they purchase your product. So again, that's hugely beneficial, even though it might not help you rank in these search engine results. And also, links can create more links. So say, for example, someone posts something on Twitter, like a citation. I go have a look at it. I think it's a great resource. I write a blog post about it, and I create a do follow link to the resource. So that's a way that it can indirectly create links that actually do matter for SEO. So I hope that cleared that up for you. If you had any questions about that, I want to say that the one exception in terms of social media that actually directly impacts your rankings in the search engines is Google Plus. That probably might not be too surprising since Google Plus is made by Google, and obviously that gives them a little bit of an advantage there. So that's why in the next section we're going to spend one lecture looking at that in some more detail, because it's the one thing that really can affect your rankings directly. So that's quite exciting, and we're going to look at that in more detail later on.